Kiriro kieha na iture ya maithori nicio igomeire andu a mucii arata na aria maroi mutigaire makimugathiriria ni undu wa wega wake na kio giake wira-ini. Arata makiuga Mutuku arari makiria ya murata. Aria matanagia na mweke wa kwaria magomerwo ni kieha magicakaya mwendwa wao.
Mungu si ndio anawezesha watu kuishi. Kwa hivyo mimi niko na Mungu. Wakati Philip aliambiwa na daktari yeye ako diagnosed na kansa, alikuja, mimi niliambiwa na daktari. Lakini wakati niliingia kwa kitanda yake, before nilikuwa nimeambia daktari, tafadhali daktari usimwambie. Akaniuliza kwa nini. Nikamwambia, ukiambia Philip hiyo maneno ati ako na kansa, na vile alikuwa ananiambia anaonelea wiki 3 hivi 2 anaona tutaenda Makueni.
Muikariri giti wa kambuni ya Royal Media Services Dr. SK Macharia na munini wa muikariri giti Mrs. Gathoni Macharia aria maroi mutigaire kwa makiria ma miaka 40 mari gatagati ka acakai aria magwikinyitie kumiriria andu a nyumba ya mutigaire Mutuku.
When I came here, this is my first time, of course, to be here. The school children here, first of all, the headmistress told me that was Mutuku's primary school. And they sang a song, and they were asking for help. Mr. Macharia having landed in their school, they wanted some help from me. And I also heard what the 2 girls sang here. See, they were asking for some help. Yeah? The book that, I wrote a book there in the school. Eh? And I said, I'm going to come back to this school within a year to discuss with them, within this year, to discuss with them what we can do in the school for remembrance of Mutuku.
Mama Caro,